Did you know that transferring a hide and reveal acrylic pour painting can completely change its appearance and impact that the painting ends up having? Well, come on and I'll walk you through the process. First, we're going to put our base paint on our substrate that we're going to put the hide and reveal transfer onto. And that's the mini dustpan I'm going to be using. And I'm going to do the hide and reveal on that 6-inch tile. So we'll move our canvas and get our tile prepped. We're going to use a PPG Multi-Pro eggshell interior paint. We are also going to be using the Shelee art style bloom paint, and we're going to use the Shelee art cell activator to swipe over our hide and reveal, and then we'll transfer that hide and reveal to that other canvas. Enjoy!
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Alright, we're going to grab that mini dustpan. We're going to put white paint on it so it makes us, when you scoop up your hide and reveal to transfer, it glides right onto your dustpan. And lay it down. So much fun. I love these. I love these. One more spin and I'll bring you in for a close-up. These are magical. So much fun. Gotta give this one a try. So now, as you see, this is why you have to take that final step and transfer your hide and reveal, because look at the beautiful results you get. I absolutely love this one. It's so pretty. So this week, August acrylic art, August abandoned Tanya and I. So it's just creations with Tanya and then myself on our Tag Team Monday. And we appreciate everybody being here. Love you all so much. Thanks to all my subscribers. And if you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up button. Give me a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. And I will see you all in the next one. And thanks so much for watching. Love y'all. Have a great week.